so excited.
Stop.
That's good. Good.
Going down?
Yep. Perfect. Like, come see up close. Like, look at the stuff. Like, shit just dances.
Well, there you have it, guys. The color reveal is officially here. Honestly, I feel like I kept this secret from you guys for way too long, but in the end, I feel like the wait was definitely worth it. I also want to give a huge shout out to Custom Powder Solutions here in Edmonton. They absolutely knocked this entire project out of the park. And I'm talking like the quality of work and the attention to detail is second to none. They took the time to mask everything off, make sure all the plugs were in, and this wasn't a small batch of parts. This was a massive project. So I just want to give a huge shout out to them again. And honestly, if you guys are in the area and looking for a trustworthy shop to take your stuff to, Custom Powder Solutions will absolutely have your back. Just to give you an example, some of the harder to reach areas on these frames is like in these little pockets here and like in the holes and all these little nooks and crannies. And you can really tell they took the time to get in there and make sure that it was absolutely perfect. I also want to just take a second to quickly show you guys what this stuff looks like in the sun, because it just doesn't do it justice here in the garage. So this is it in the garage here. Doesn't look like anything special. Now come into the sun and just look at that. That's just insane. There's so much sparkle in it and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm so excited to get this stuff all back on the truck. And I think that's what we're gonna jump to in the next video. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, let me know what you guys think about the color in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one.